Hello viewers, I'm Shivani. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do the ball poem from First Flight, the English textbook for class 10th. मैंने इस poem के explanation पर पहले ही एक video बनाया है. I'll share the link in the description box. Please watch that video for a better understanding. So let's begin. Question number 1, the name of the poet. Robert Frost, Leslie Norris, Sarojini Naidu, John Berryman. The correct option is John Berryman. Why was the boy upset? लड़का क्यों दुखी था? Because he had lost his pup, fight with his friend, to go to school, lost his ball. So the correct option is lost his ball. क्योंकि उसका ball खो गया था. Where did the ball go? Into the water, to his neighbor's garden, into a hole? None. So the correct option is into the water. Ball पानी में गिर गया था. How much will another ball cost? 10 dimes, 5 dimes, 4 dimes, 1 dime. The correct option is 1 dime. तो एक नए बॉल का कॉस्ट क्या होगा? 1 dime. How do we know the boy is grief stricken? हमें कैसे मालूम है कि लड़का बहुत दुखी है? He stands rigid, trembling and staring down. He shouts and cries. He shouts and throws tantrums. He cries very loudly. So हमें कैसे पता चलता है? Correct option is he stands rigid. He is absolutely straight without any movement. He is trembling. He is shaking and staring down. And he is looking down. वो उसी जगह को देख रहा है जहाँ पे उसका बॉल गुम हो गया है. Although he is rigid, stiff. Rigid means stiff, trembling, he's shaking and staring down. He's looking down at the place where the ball has gone. Next question, for how long does he stare down at the harbor for the ball? So the ball has gone into the water in the harbor. For 1 hour, all evening, 2 days, all his young days. The correct answer is all his young days. He cannot forget the loss of the ball. 7th question, what does the boy learn from this experience? इस experience से वो लड़का क्या सीखता है? His first responsibility, people will take away his possessions. He should learn to take care for his things. All the above. The correct option is all the above. वो अपनी पहली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझता है. उसे ये समझ आता है लोग उसके पोजेशन को ले लेंगे. उसे अपना पोजेशन संभाल के रखना है. अपनी चीज़ें उसको संभाल के रखना चाहिए. तो ये सारी चीज़ें वो सीखता है इस एक्सपीरियंस से. What is the meaning of the word epistemology? Knowledge, belief, hopeless, to intrude. The meaning of the word epistemology is knowledge. Next question. Question number 9. Does the poet express sympathy? क्या पोएट बच्चे के साथ सहानुभूति बताते हैं? क्योंकि पोएट ही देख रहे थे the boy losing his balls. He sees the ball go into the water. He sees that the boy has lost the ball. And he knows the boy is very upset. उन्हें मालूम है कि बच्चा बहुत दुखी है. पर क्या वो सिंपैथी जताते हैं? He buys a new ball. Do you think he buys a new ball? He talks to the boy. No, he does not express any sympathy. None. So the correct option is no. He does not express any sympathy. Poet बच्चे के साथ कोई भी सहानुभूति नहीं जताते हैं. Question number 10. Why doesn't the poet show any sympathy? Poet बिल्कुल कोई सहानुभूति क्यों नहीं जताते हैं? He is not bothered. He doesn't know the boy. He wants the boy to understand the meaning of loss and how to face it. None of the above. The correct option is he wants the boy to understand the meaning of loss and how to face it. वो चाहते हैं कि बच्चे को समझ आए कि he is going to lose things and कैसे वो उस दुख से कैसे उभरेगा और कैसे वो ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ेगा. तो ही वॉन्ट्स द बॉय टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. अकॉर्डिंग टू पोइट व्हाट शुड एवरी मैन नो? पोइट क्या चाहते हैं कि हर आदमी को क्या पता होना चाहिए? how to overcome loss and move on, how to fight for his rights. A ball doesn't cost much, both 2 and 3. So the correct option is how to overcome loss and move on. ज़िंदगी में हम बहुत कुछ खोते हैं, हमें कैसे उससे उबर कर आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, हर आदमी को ये सीखना है. Question number 12. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? AABB, ABAB, ABCD, blank verse. So the rhyme scheme of the poem is blank verse. There is no rhyme. The words do not rhyme. The last words of the line do not rhyme with each other. Do you think a new ball can replace the ball that the boy has lost? No, he has many memories attached to it. Yes, exactly a similar looking ball can replace it. No, it's difficult to find a similar looking ball. None. So the correct option is no, he has many memories attached to it. तो क्या जो बॉल गुम हो गया है उस बॉल को एक और बॉल से हम रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं? नहीं, क्योंकि उस बॉल के साथ उस बच्चे की बहुत सारी यादें जुड़ी हुई हैं. तो अगर हम नए बॉल को लाएंगे तो वो बॉल उस पुराने बॉल को रिप्लेस नहीं कर पाएगा. पॉइंट आउट द फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच. What is he to do? And balls will be lost always. So इन दोनों लाइन्स में कौन से फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है? मेटाफर, रिपीटिशन, alliteration, simile. The correct answer is repetition. So in the first line, what, these two words are repeated. In the second line, balls, these two words are repeated. Name the figure of speech used in and no one buys a ball back. Metaphor, repetition, alliteration, simile. So the correct answer is alliteration. The words buys, ball, back, they all start with the letter B, the sound B, sound of B. So this is alliteration. These words start with B sound. So that's all for today. Hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends. Give it a like. Send your comments. I'll look forward to that. And happy learning. Keep practicing.